Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Kingston, but we want to give you an update on the Riu Aquarelle Hotel in Trelawney. Now it was announced today that the hotel is going to open on May 4th. May 4th. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on the opening of the hotel. Now, this is going to be Rio's seventh hotel in Jamaica. Rio is a Spanish hotel, and the Spanish hotels seem to love Jamaica. They do very well in Jamaica, and almost all the Spanish hotels are expanding. As we said, this is the seventh hotel for Rio in Jamaica. Grand Palladium in Hanover, they have two hotels on there. They're building two more. It's another Spanish hotel. Then you have Bahia Principal. They are building two more hotels in St. Anne's Bay. And Secrets is building another hotel in Richmond, St. Anne. They have two hotels in Montego Bay and they're building a third one. So it's a very good relationship, and the Minister of Tourism is on top of things. He goes to all of the major trade shows. If it has something to do with tourism, he is there meeting with all the stakeholders, and everything is working for Jamaica. So, in terms of tourism, Jamaica was voted the number one destination in the Caribbean. Alright, guys, so we're going to go through this article that gives more information on the opening of the hotel. The growing hospitality sector in Falmouth, Trelawney is set to welcome the Rio Hotels and Resorts new Aguilera Hotel, with a planned opening of the five-star resort on May 4th. This addition will mark Rio's seventh property in Jamaica, solidifying its position as one of the largest resort chains in the country. Spanning an impressive 753 rooms, the Riu Aquarelle Resort will significantly boost the room stock of the coastal parish of Trelawney, offering guests a luxurious and unforgettable vacation experience. The Riu Palace Aguilera will be the seventh establishment of the hotel chain in Jamaica after 23 years of operating here. We have indeed invested in renovations, but a brand new hotel is a totally different project, said Rio's Regional Director of Operations, Frank Sondern, following a recent walkthrough of the property with reporters. It is ambitious, exciting, a challenge, and more so because it is a new destination. This five-star resort will feature swim-up rooms, adding a touch of exclusivity and indulgence to the guest experience, he noted. Mr. Sondern added that one of the standout features of the Riu Aquarelle Resort is its commitment to sustainability and renewable energy, pointing out that the resort will be equipped with 800 solar panels harnessing the abundant Caribbean sunshine to produce an impressive 470,000 kilowatt hours per year. This initiative, he said, not only underscores Rio's dedication to the environmental responsibility, but also positions the resort at the forefront of the tourism sector's shift towards more sustainable practices in Jamaica. For her part, Director of Rio Sales in Jamaica, Nero Linton, said that the Aguilera has accounted for 27% of the bookings from loyalty sales, and the hotel recently did for the upcoming summer. The local market is within the four main markets that today are sending business to this hotel. We recently did a loyalty sale from May to July, and 27% of the arrivals in the local market are coming to Riu Aquarelle. So we are happy to share with you that we are ready, Ms. Linton said. We are looking at the opportunity for the local market to come and enjoy the product that we have in Jamaica. The Aguilera is a five-star all-inclusive 24-hour resort with a beautiful White Bay beach. What makes it special is that it is the first hotel of the chain to offer swim-up rooms located on an upper level, offering both privacy and privileged views, she added. She said that besides being strategically located in Falmouth, Trelawney, guests can look forward to an array of amenities and activities including gourmet dining options, world-class entertainment, luxurious spa treatments, and exciting water sports. The Riu Aquarelle Resort is poised to make a substantial impact on the local economy. With the creation of 830 jobs for Jamaicans, the resort will become one of the largest employers in the country, providing valuable opportunities for individuals in the region and contributing to the socio-economic development of Trelawney and beyond, Mrs. Garcia Linton added. With the addition of the Riu Aquarelle Resort, Rio Hotels and Resorts will now boast a record 4,274 rooms across Jamaica, further solidifying its position as a leading hospitality brand in the Caribbean. The resort's opening is expected to draw visitors from around the world, eager to experience the unparalleled luxury and beauty for which Rio is renowned. In 2021, Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett, and Chief Executive Officer of Rio Hotels, Carmen Rio, broke ground for construction of the resort. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So job well done to everybody. This is going to be a really spectacular hotel. So guys, when you stay there, leave your reviews or leave your comments reviewing your stay at the hotel in the comment section below. Alright guys, we will give you an update video on the project later in the week. Alright guys, May 4th opening Riu Aquarelle Trelawney. Have a good day.